Hey, 120, how you doing? Today I'm going through all the things I carry in my camera bag. First up, we have the Logitech MX Master 25. It has a great build quality and a bit of weight to it, which I like. Also, the scroll wheel is awesome. Next, for power, I have the Signet 10,000 mAh battery. It has two full-size USB ports and a micro USB port. Next up is my Zoom H2N handy recorder, which is what I'm using to record this voiceover. It's a great little mic. For a phone, I'm rocking the first generation Google Pixel with state-of-the-art headphone jack. Here I have the GoPro Hero 5. It shoots 1080p at 120 frames per second, which makes for some sweet slow-mo. And these are my Ray-Bans. They give everything a nice orangey look. This is my Leatherman squirt. I keep it on my keychain. And this is the Squirt's older brother, the Skeletal. I mainly use it for opening mail. This is the Manfrotto Pixie. It was my main tripod for quite a long time. It has a few different height settings and a ball head. I keep it in my bag's side pocket for easy access. For light, I use this little Nightcore torch. It has a strobe setting, a red setting, a blue setting, and a police setting for all your policing needs. And this is the Manfrotto phone clamp. You can pair it with the Pixie and shoot a movie on your phone. And this is my ND filter. It's like a pair of sunglasses for your lens. And lastly, these are my noise cancelling headphones. The sound quality is great, battery life is decent enough, and the build quality is sturdy. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and if you'd like to see more, you can subscribe. See you next time.